Hello dear subscribers. Today let's speak about how we can turn on our Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. So first option you can also do it just scroll swipe up and here you will see Do Not Disturb. So just click here and now your iPhone is in Do Not Disturb mode. If you want to disable this mode, just click again and it will disable this mode. So second variant, you can also go to settings, and in settings you will find Do Not Disturb. So just click here. Here you can also click on Do Not Disturb. Just click and disable it if you want. So second variant, if you want to do it scheduled, so for example when you go to sleep every day in one time and you don't want to make automatically disable this mode automatically every morning, so you can also do it scheduled and it will automatically turn off this mode every day after you wake up. So just click here on this schedule option. Here you can see that by default it takes from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. So just click here and you can also change this time quite hours for your opinion, for your comfort. You can also choose time when you sleep and time when you don't want to be disturbed. So just choose click here, for example, and just change this time. So this is how it works. So if you want to turn off this scheduled mode, just click here and you will successfully turn off this mode. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.